12 inner. We have Jack Pimentel out of Green, Rhode Island, doing it for Eagle Eye and Quads. Sean the Snake Straight out of Saunderstown, doing it for Punks for a Princess. Richard Crash Time Valisi out of Warwick, doing it for Evolution X. And Willem LaBelle out of Onset, Mass, doing it for Renan. It's 11-12 inner X mix. It's LaBelle with the hole shot. It's LaBelle straight, Valisi. Valisi looking to get into that 2 spot, and he does it. It's LaBelle, Valisi straight, Pimentel. Valisi holding on to the 2 spot. It's LaBelle increasing the distance. LaBelle, Valisi straight, Pimentel. Looks like the win is going to go to LaBelle. That 2nd spot is still up for grabs, and it looks like Sean the Snake Straight takes the 2nd. Pimentel taking